YouTube? This is Eric or Gibby, whatever again you want to call me. And this is... Who are you? Emmett?
Yep, and see, we got a big box right here.
I know what this box is. Do you know what it is?
No.
This is actually a water heater. So when we go to the goat show, we plug it in, and the goats will have warm water when we give them baths. Okay?
Cool.
All right. So that's what we got here. So we're going to unbox it, check it out, and we'll be using my Smith & Wesson MP knife.
Dad, I thought you were
Pretty
going,
nifty.
Dad, I thought you were going to cut off your arm.
No, I'm not going to cut off my arm. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and cut her open. And be really careful so we don't cut anything open inside. Right?
Yep.
Okay. Let's close her up.
Yep.
Holy cow, that thing's huge!
Holy cow. I farted. I need the instructions.
Shit. That's not instructions. Leave it. Just leave it. Okay. We have to get the stuff out. Okay. Let's get this out. Let's leave that in there. Holy smoky bear. What kind of crap this thing's... Holy crap. Oh, do we have to add a propane to it? Oh, man. Really? That's a lot of stuff to put on this
And
thing.
look at this too.
What?
Oh, there's a wrench.
Yep. Comes with some hoses and a shower head?
A shower head.
It's got a shower head in there, dude!
Also, you got some of these.
Okay, let's see these. Don't open those. We got
Wait,
some...
wait. I found the instructions.
The instructions.
The
Looks like some compression fittings, maybe. Yep. And stuff to hang it on a wall, but...
Baggie.
And then...
Hey, Daddy, look.
Teflon tape.
Daddy.
I use paste, but whatever. Wrenches. What?
The instructions is just in like a baggie.
It's supposed to be in a baggie. Most of the time they are. And anyways, that sucks. That means we got to get propane. Ugh, what a pain in the butt. I bet your mom did not look to see that. But anyways, yeah, got to have propane for it. We'll throw that down over there. I don't suggest you throw it down. There we go.
I want to open the instructions.
Look at that! Look at this! It's a shower head! Oh, it's got a stop button and an on button. I think the goats might like this. What do you think?
Yeah.
Simon's nasty, so he's going to be fun to give a bath to. But yep, that's the hoses for this thing. The shower head.
Wait, also there's a white one right here.
Yeah, that's the different kinds you could get, dude.
Yep. Also a silver one, a black one, and also a gold one. And we got the silver one.
Yep. Here, hold the camera. Make sure you're holding it towards facing me. Can you see me?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna take this out of the box.
Also, do you see the instructions?
Okay, they can't see it that close, Emmett.
Actually, I'm going to move it
Emmett,
back a
come
little.
on, dude.
See?
They don't care about the instructions.
Also, there's a black one, a white one, and a silver one, guys.
Okay, give me the camera. Give me my phone. The dogs are eating each other out there. Well, ain't that pretty nifty? You know, you got... It's in Celsius? Are you kidding me?
Celsius!
Yeah, we go by the metric system, so we don't do Celsius, we do Fahrenheit.
Hey, wait.
What? What?
Look, right here.
There's a danger water temperature settings. So we got to be careful. Right? Oh, and there's a warning sign on it. And here's how you can control the temperature.
Yep. Snowy and sunny.
No, This is hot, cold.
Hot, cold.
And then with the hot, you could adjust it to warm or to so hot it hurts, it burns.
Oh.
We don't want that, so we'll keep it like right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, here we go.
Also, it's one raindrop.
No, that's not. Those aren't raindrops, dude. This? Well, that might be water flow. We'll have to look at the instructions. Ugh.
I got the instructions.
Boot. A boot. But it's got a nice little lifty handle right here, as you can see. Whoop, pick it up. It is heavy. And if you're using this at home, you can mount it. There's mounting holes, so you can mount it on a wall.
Also, there's a danger sign right here too.
How does this thing even power on?
Wait,
There's no. You don't have to plug it in? Well, that's weird. Anyways, you got your. Let's see here. Let's flip it around because. Ugh! Yeah. It's hard to see. And I'm sure I'm draining my battery pretty low on my phone since I'm already uploading a video on YouTube.
It's H-O-T, danger.
Hot. H-O-T is hot. Anyways, here is the gas inlet, water outlet, and water inlet.
Yep. Also, if
I have no idea what that is. This must be like some kind of filter or something, I'm assuming. Hold on, dude. Let's see what this says. Gas hose adapter. Yep. And yep. That's all that good stuff.
I'm sorry, me.
You're weird. Hey, Emmett, why are you all dressed up today?
Because it was, I don't know.
You don't remember what it was today?
No.
Picture day!
Yep.
Did you see your girlfriend today?
Yep.
Tell everybody what's your girlfriend's name.
Reagan.
Reagan.
Also, if you touch this stuff and if it flows out, it could start a fire on you.
Yep, he's reading it by looking at the pictures. But anywho, that's
Wait, look at this end.
that looks like an exhaust.
Yep.
That right there. That's what he's talking about. And he's got bubble wrap. So now he'll be happy for about an hour, maybe. Oh, those bubble wraps suck. Anyways, yeah. This is a Gasland heater. Pretty cool. Haven't tried it out yet, obviously, since we just unboxed it. So I will be doing a review on the Gasland water heater.
Also, I'm going to tell where I'm going to take it.
Where are we taking the Gasland water heater?
To the goat show?
What kind of goats are we showing?
Chester?
No, what kind? Not what their names are.
Oh.
You know what kind? Look at the camera, dude.
It's
What do they do? Doop. They tip over?
Yep.
What kind of goats are those?
Fainting goats?
They're mini silky fainting goats.
Yep. And also, my favorite is Storm.
Storm's your favorite goat?
Yep, and Chester.
And Chester's a really nice goat, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's a good guy. He gives you hugs. Your tie's crooked anyways.
Yeah.
We'll end up taking that off soon because you're going to have to eat. And I'm going to have to eat. I'm getting really hungry. But anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. This is the Gasland water heater unboxing. I will be doing a review on that after the goat show, or maybe even during the goat show. We'll probably do one during the goat show, just so we could do a feed on how it works. So thanks for watching. Check you guys later. Hey, Matt.
Also, look right here.
Yeah. What? Hey, I'm shutting it off. What are you supposed to say?
First line says this down. And also,
make sure
that you smash the like button.
Share the video.
Yep, and share the
Video.
And also, guys.
No. We're ending it. Come here. We're ending it. We're not looking at other stuff. We're gonna make up our new thing. Make up something else. Okay?
Yep.
We're not gonna do share the love because that's taken, right?
Yeah.
That's your favorite YouTube show.
Oh, right.
Right? So we got to do something else. What are we going to do?
We're going to watch TV.
We're going to have to think of a saying to do at the end of the video. So stay tuned. We'll figure it out while Emmett is smashing that box. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned for how this thing works and how we put it together and whatnot.
Also watch.
And, yep, like, share, and stay tuned. Oh, subscribe. You have to subscribe to our videos, right?
Yep, also watch this.
You're such a football player, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yep. All right. So tell everybody, bye.